I noticed that the color, they're very different.
We use the seed of different rice, and so that's why we have different colors.
I have not seen paddy art before. It was really interesting because they use different kinds of rice or different kinds of plants to do this. So I was quite impressed.
Miaoli farmers turn paddy fields into customized art. To create paddy art, the farmers first make a grid on the ground and then create an outline of the pictures or words they want to create, before finally planting the mauve rice plant seeds. The seeds can be planted twice a year, towards the end of February and July.
Guys, I want to introduce to both of you this excellent place which is filled with paddy art. And our teacher is going to explain to us a little bit more about it.
Sure.
Welcome to here.
Hi, thank you.
Welcome.
I noticed that the color, they're very different.
Yeah.
Why is that?
There are 4 kinds of rice here, and there are 4 kinds of different kinds of rice. First of all, they draw some lines, and then they plant it. We use the seed of different rice, and so that's why we have different colors.
So this black color is like natural, it's just real rice?
Natural.
It is not paint?
No, it's not paint.
Oh, I thought it's just black paint, you know?
I thought it was a dry leaf.
Yeah.
And I also know that you guys change the art twice a year, right?
Yes.
How cool! So we get to see different things.
Yeah.
Yes, and there are also sometimes they have some cases like people want to propose, or they want to make some different kinds of art, sound it, and then we also take this kind of cases too.
Oh, cool.
That's so sweet.
Yeah. I have not seen paddy art before. It was really interesting because they use different kinds of rice or different kinds of plants to do this. So I was quite impressed. I've seen it from other shows, but I've never actually seen it in person.
Actually, my first time seeing a designed paddy field, it's like, oh, it's like there's such a thing that you could design a paddy field. And I asked if those are dry, because like there are dark colors. And I thought they look like dry leaves, but they are not dry leaves, which is like really, really cool.
Well, this is definitely my first time I see these rice fields. And I thought, you know, there was like some black color. I thought it's actually burnt rice. I thought they burnt it or painted in like black spray paint, you know. But they said they don't paint anything and they don't burn anything. It's just like natural rice, just different sorts of rice. And it's like really special because I thought it literally got burned.
So just next to this paddy field, we have a museum for triangle rush. So we're gonna take you there to make a visit.
Awesome.
Wow.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yunli was known as the land of rush. As soon as you walk into Yunli, you can see many rushes planted in the farmland. In the early age, local women used rushes to weave straw mats. The Triangle Rush exhibition hall was built from an early Farmers Association warehouse. Serving as a cultural museum, it focuses on the theme of rush ecology and weaving craft and offers chances to experience rush weaving.
Now we invited Miss Chang to introduce us how to make the hand weaving triangle rush. And she has like 70 years of experience of making this, and now we're gonna make some small deers, and we can put the deers on the cart of a small cute cart.
How cute.
Yeah.
guys call it rush?
Because it smells really good and it's very natural. Because it's very hot in Taiwan, and this material makes very cool.
You can use it for hands because it makes your head cooler.
Yes.
Ah,
And because this rush is very strong, so you can use it for a really long time. For mat or for head.
like how long can you use it?
You can use the rest of your life. It
The
will be
rest
fine.
of your life.
That's strong.
You don't destroy it by purpose.
Right, right. Wow.
So in this region, in earlier period, the woman, this is one of their main job to do the rush weaving, and it's also a huge part of the income at the time of this region.
Oh.
Usually, like women, they can, if they know how to make this rush weaving, they can make more money than men.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty empowering.
Yes.
There are a lot of rich women live in Miaoli. Unfortunately, I already got married. I will just come here to find a wife.
So in the earlier period, if you want to marry a woman who can make a rush weaving, you have to give more bridal gifts. Yes.
Really?
Yes. Because they can make a lot of money.
How about now? Are Miaoli women still rich? How about handsome foreigner? We can do weaving together.
This is my very first time. I didn't know the name of it. I just knew this was a straw. I didn't know the proper name. So now I know it's called rush, and it's awesome. This is the one we were making, all of us together. But then I saw the teacher make this monkey, and when she made this monkey, I was like, oh, this is me. Because actually, my Chinese zodiac is monkey. Yeah, I like it.
It's the same with the culture in the Philippines where we do like this kind of braiding for the hats and the beds. So it felt really familiar for me, and I guess like I would see farmers in the Philippines doing braiding and weaving. So that's why I was like really familiar with doing this kind of stuff.
It's really fascinating how people can use very simple materials like straw and make a lot of interesting, different, complicated products like bags or hats. So this is really incredible. This is a little bit complicated, but I just learned interesting fact. Teacher said that there were a lot of rich women lived in Miaoli, which is really incredible because sometimes I really learn some interesting facts about different cultures because I would never thought that, you know, people who do this weaving could be rich, you know. And she said like most women here were really rich. So this is an interesting fact. And another one is actually it really keeps, you know, keep like a cool, and people even have these straw mattresses, so they sleep on straw, and it's not hot in summer. So maybe I'll get one in the future, straw mattress. I guess it's really useful.